Good Monday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. We start the day on a very mellow note. We had such an interesting weekend. We had some robust thunderstorms, not severe weather, but some soakers in the area. And we had some steady, light, and at times heavy rainfall on Sunday morning. Boy, it was all that to go with that warm sun that made for a very summer-like stretch of weather over the weekend. Temperatures did not quite officially get to 80 degrees, but we were close. At my house, we did get to 80, and it was certainly warm and steamy. At the airport, it was the upper 70s, and we had plenty of humidity to make it feel like the 80s zone. Here's a look outside on this Monday with our Gwaltney Group camera from Assisi Heights. Just a few thin clouds overhead. We'll enjoy some sunshine through the day today with, at times, a couple of showers. A couple of those may impact part of the area this morning with more widespread thunderstorms by late afternoon into the evening hours. All of that developing ahead of an approaching cold front. Again, tomorrow, the same situation. The front still going to take its time getting here. It'll be tomorrow before it moves through. That'll be late tomorrow, and then behind that we'll see some changes. But there will be some warmth and mugginess, though, today and tomorrow with those thunderstorm chances, again, for both Monday and Tuesday. Right now, look at the day planner. Some sun, some clouds, southwest winds, 15, maybe 20 miles per hour at times, a high of 80 later on, with, again, the best chance of thunderstorms, the most widespread activity around 5 o'clock. That carries us into the evening hours. It's 66 here just a few minutes after 7 o'clock, 7:30 rather this morning, as we kick off this Monday on a warm and muggy note. Dew point 64. That's where we were pretty much most of the weekend, with those dew points well into the 60s. Again, that's kind of more of a direct measure of humidity versus relative humidity, that type of statistic, because that is all a relative term that can be a sliding scale. But dew point, more of a direct measure. You get dew point 64, pretty much regardless of what the temperature is going to be, you're going to feel that kind of mugginess. And with a dew point temperature like that, you get in the 70s. We were close on, especially Friday. It is definitely warm and steamy, and we may get close again later this afternoon and again tomorrow until that cold front moves through. But air pressure is steady right now as that cold front is kind of stalled to our west. 66 right now in Rochester, 68 in Mason City, and 64 in Winona. From here, we'll make our way to about 80 degrees later today. Watching a couple of spotty showers in North Iowa. Those are kind of fizzling out, but we're looking at more widespread rain to the west. Line of showers and storms along that cold front. Those are dying now, but they will reignite later today. We see those as we look at the potential of that on the Storm Prediction Center's outlook. Basically, the best chance of strong storms will be 5 p.m. until 10 this evening, with large hail, damaging winds, and perhaps a few heavy downpours of rain. The best chance of that from Rochester to the west. We're in the lowest level of severe weather. They call that marginal risk. And at this point, looking at tomorrow, again, the same situation, especially from Rochester to the east, as that front by mid-afternoon, late afternoon, will be positioned right across the heart of the area. So those areas to the east will be the greatest area of threat for strong storms tomorrow. Here's Futurecast looking at the thunderstorms that erupt this afternoon and hold on to the evening hours after midnight. They kind of fizzle out. Some sunshine to start the day tomorrow with a steady southwest breeze on the mild side, around 15, 16 mile per hour winds, kind of stirring up that mugginess. And then tomorrow evening, we see some thunderstorms pop up here and there. Late afternoon into the early evening, they then push pretty quickly eastward by 8:30 or 9 o'clock tomorrow night. And then here comes that northwest wind, that drier air coming in out of Canada with high pressure on Wednesday. It'll be a cooler day with barely 70s for highs and a lot less mugginess. Again, that's Wednesday, and we'll stick with the cool stuff for the end of the week. But today, rainfall chances increase as we move along. The best chances after 5 or 6 o'clock. A quarter, maybe half inch of some of the heavier thunderstorms. High of 80 today, partly sunny. Scattered storms possible later on. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Sunset 8:39 for today. Tonight, some thunderstorms possible, especially this evening. Partly cloudy and 64. And tomorrow, still a chance of thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. 81. The storm chances kind of wind down around 8:30 or so, maybe 9 o'clock. Right around sunset tomorrow night as the front moves eastward, and then that'll take all the humidity and all the elements out of the area. We'll have drier, cooler air coming in behind that out of Canada, and you can see that on our forecast for the middle part of the week. Comfortable on Wednesday. Thursday, a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, and then Friday, a brief sprinkle early on, and then some sunshine. Low 60s, though, for those highs at the end of the week. And as we move into the holiday weekend time frame, a nice little recovery back to the 70-degree range. A spotty shower by Sunday afternoon, that is. And then on Memorial Day itself, a lot of sunshine, a dry day, 74 for next Monday. So by and large, a terrific looking holiday weekend. People are hoping maybe for the 80s to hold on for the Memorial Day. that's ahead of schedule. That's a little warmer than average. We had that last weekend, the one we just finished, but we'll take what we can get, and 70 degrees is close to seasonal average and awfully nice still, with not much rain to talk about. Meantime, have a great Monday. Stay cool and comfortable in that humidity and stay dry with those thunderstorms. Have a great Monday. I'll see you back here for Tuesday.